This video is about the possessive adjective and the possessive pronoun. As a group, they can be called the possessives. For the video on the subject and object pronouns, please see the link in the description. You use the possessives when you talk about things you have, your possessions. Possessive adjective. You always use it with the possession. My dog is black. It can be the subject of the sentence. The black dog is my dog. It can be the object of the sentence. We go to my room. It can even be another part of a sentence. Possessive pronoun. You always use it alone to mean both the owner and the possession. My dog is black. Mine is black. The black dog is mine. We go to my room. We go to mine. As you can see, this can also be the subject, object, or another part of the sentence. You always match the possessives with the owner. The form of the possessives doesn't change with the gender or the number of the possession. You also never use the definite, the, or an indefinite, an, article before possessive. Second person singular or plural. Your dog is black. Yours is black. Yours is again the same in both the singular and the plural. A common mistake is confusing your with your. Your is the possessive adjective. Your is the short form of you are. If you remember this, you will avoid this mistake. Third person singular. His dog is black. His is black. Her dog is black. Hers is black. Its dog is black. Its is black. If your native language has gendered nouns, then here you have to be careful to use the owner's gender, not the possessions. Another common mistake is confusing its with its. Its is the possessive adjective. Its is the short form of it is. Plurals. Our dog is black. Ours is black. Their dog is black. Theirs is black. I hope you enjoyed these two videos on pronouns. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Check out the video on subject and object pronouns if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, please support my work on Patreon.